Alright, so now you know basic introduction to GST. So let's learn about the different components of GST that are available. So let's jump into that. So the first component of GST is central GST or CGST, and it is applicable on intra-state transaction within the same state. So if you are in Delhi and you're trading in Delhi, then it is going to be applicable. If you are in Karnataka and you're trading in Karnataka, it means that it is going to be applicable CGST, right? So it is going to be within the same state on the supply of goods and services in India, and it's levied by the central government. Right, so this is one of the component. The second component is UT GST or Union Territory GST. It is applicable on specified unit territories for supply of goods and services in India, and again it's levied by center government. So we are going to go into detail of when it is applicable and how it is calculated in the training, but for now you just need to understand that these are the different components. The third component is state GST or SGST. It is applicable again on intra-state transaction within the same state, same as CGST, on the supply of goods and services in India. SGST is levied by state government. You can see the central GST or CGST is levied by center government, but SGST or state GST is applicable and levied by state government. And finally, the last component is integrated GST or IGST, which is applicable on interstate transaction. It means you are doing transactions between two states. So for example, Karnataka to Tamil Nadu, Delhi to Haryana on different places. It means you're changing the state when you're doing any supply of goods and services, right? So IGST will be applicable there, and also on the import and exports, and it's levied by the central government. So in the simple terms, when you do transaction within the same state, CGST and SGST is applicable. In case if you are doing it in union territories, then UT GST will be applicable. In case if you are transferring or if you are doing any business interstate between two states, then IGST will be applicable. So this is very simple now. These are the only components you need to understand to run the GST for your business. Alright, so this is all about GST components, and I will see you in the next tutorial.